Let's talk about possessive pronouns today. Mine is akua. Akua. However, if there is object involved, akua becomes akuang. So we add ng to that one. For example, akuang baso. Akuang baso. Or you can also say akong baso. So you can say akong baso or akuang baso. His or hers is iyaha. Iyaha. Now, if there is an object involved, we add ng. So, iyaha becomes iyahang. So, iyahang balay. His house, her house. Iyahang balay. Ours, including you, is atua. Atua. So, if there's an object involved, for example, our house, then we are going to add ng. So, atua becomes atuang. So, atong or atuang balay is our house. Atong or atuang balay is our house. Ours, excluding you, is amua. Amua. If there is an object involved, or if you want to show possession of something, then we add ng. So, amua becomes amuang. Sometimes people also say among. So, among or amuang balay is our house. Let's have a review. How do we say our farm in Bisaya? Is it amuang or atuang uma? Don't forget to hit the pause button before you answer. The correct answer is amuang uma. How do you say his wife in Bisaya? Is it iyahang or akuang asawa? The correct answer is iyahang asawa. How about our friends, including you, in Bisaya? Is it amuang or atuang mga higala? The correct answer is atuang mga higala. How about her child in Bisaya? How do we say her child in Bisaya? The correct answer is iyahang anak. Iyahang anak. How do we say our clothes, excluding you, in Bisaya? Our clothes in Bisaya. The correct answer is amuang mga sanina. How about my book in Bisaya? So we say akuang or akong libro. And that's it for today. Hope you learned something new. Hangtod sa sunod. Salamat!